Flight nursing is a subfield of emergency medicine transportation. Flight nurses are nurses who are specifically trained in emergency, trauma, and intensive care medicine. They are qualified paramedics who can also perform medical procedures like intubation. Flight nurses often take care of the most critical patients, quickly transporting them from small hospitals to larger ones, or transferring a patient from a more rural area to a hospital. Flight nurses also provide care while being transported via airplanes to further away locations for such reasons as seeing a specialist doctor. Flight nurses need compact ways to care for their patients quickly. They use apps on mobile phones like Haiku to access patient portals such as Epic. This allows a flight nurse to view personal health information without taking up much space. They also have radio recording systems to track and relay patient status along the flight to the hospital awaiting their arrival. Haiku is an app that allows a flight nurse to view the patient health information. This app is associated with the Epic system, allowing any notes ran on the app to show up in the Epic system. This app is made for mobile phones to enable the flight nurse to access this information without taking up much space due to the small handheld capabilities. Flight nurses use a radio to communicate with the pilot and co-pilot along with the hospital to give moment-by-moment updates on the patients. These radios communications are also recorded as they are a form of patient documentation. The flight nurse can use these recordings to help with documentation after offloading a patient at the hospital. A real-world example of Haiku in work is a case from a 2019 article posted by Epic. The article details how older adults often do not appear to be in shock due to some medications they may take. It goes on to detail how instead of assuming whether a patient is on these meds or not, the flight nurse can use Haiku. This app provides the patient documentation after offloading a patient at the hospital. The biggest challenges in flight nursing informatics is the accessibility to the internet. With working in the sky, data accessibility for phones and electronic devices. With new onboard Wi-Fi, phones are able to access the internet, but in-flight Wi-Fi can be cut out if the weather is bad. Ethically, the concern with healthcare informatics is the safety of patient health information, with access to patient information needing to be quickly accessed and from a mobile format, the risk of cybersecurity becoming compromised. The future in flight nursing healthcare informatics is growing, with more technology advancements in science backing quick response times to improve patient outcome. Flight nursing informatics will continue to advance. Flight nursing is a specialty in healthcare that has been gaining popularity, with more critical care nurses joining the specialty. Healthcare informatics is currently working on developing ways to have telemedicine communicate help from a doctor with the flight nurse in real time. Flight nursing is a subfield in emergency nursing that utilizes healthcare informatics to access patient records, communicate, and help with documentation. Just like all areas in healthcare that use healthcare informatics, cybersecurity is crucial in protecting the patient health information. Apps like Haiku are helping flight nurses provide adequate care. The future of flight nursing healthcare informatics involves the advancement of telehealth communications.